2 checks, both with composite divisors. Is 18 divisible by 12? Then find every a and b so that 7a, 2b is divisible by 72. 1 looks easy. 1 has 2 blanks, no long division. Pause the video. Is 18 really divisible by 12? Here is a hint. A big divisor has no single tail. Can you break it apart? (18) divided by 12. Here is the tempting test. 12 is 2 times 6. 18 is even, and 18 mod 6 is 0. That means remainder 0. So this test says yes. But 18 is 12 times 1.5. 18 mod 12 is 6. So 18 is not divisible by 12. Why did the test lie? The GCD of 2 and 6 is 2. The shared factor of 2 got counted twice, so it leaks. The honest split uses coprime factors. 12 is 4 times 3. Now 18 mod 4 is 2. Rejected. 18 is not divisible by 12. Now the hard one. 72, dividing into 7a, 2b. Split 72 into coprime pieces, 8 times 9. Their GCD is 1, so each rule counts on its own. 8 and 36 would share a 2. 6 and 12 would share a 6. Only 8 times 9 is clean. The 8 chip reads only the last 3 digits, so A2B must be divisible by 8. The 9 chip lifts every digit and sums them. 7 plus A plus 2 plus B is 9 plus A plus B. Divisible by 9 means A plus B is 0, 9, or 18. Now intersect both windows. 1 and 8 gives 71, 28. 9 and 0 gives 79, 20. Same move, new tails. Walk each one. First, find every A so that 84A5 is divisible by 25. 100 divides into 25, so 25 reads the last 2 digits. So A5 must be 25 or 75. That means A is 2 or 7. Next, 9A75, divisible by 125. 1000 divides into 125, so 125 reads the last 3 digits. So A75 must be 375 or 875. That means A is 3 or 8. Last, the remainder of 837, 465 mod 101. 100 is congruent to -1 mod 101, so tag 2-digit blocks plus, minus, plus from the right. 65 minus 74 plus 83 is 74. So 837, 465 mod 101 is 74. This is the coprime pieces rule. If the divisor is composite, split it into coprime factors, apply each rule, and the number must pass them all. A split that shares a factor leaks false positives. Look for a composite divisor, like 12, 36, or 72, or a tail sibling, 25, 125, or 101. Split coprime first, then intersect. Every test isolates the smallest piece the divisor can see. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.